Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can hide the like counts of your video on YouTube. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to hide the like counts of your video on YouTube, you will need to download YouTube Studio first. So YouTube Studio is an official app by YouTube used to manage your YouTube channel, and this is also where you can hide the like counts of your videos. So if you don't have a YouTube Studio yet, you can find it on your Play Store or App Store, so just download it there and then come back to this video once you already have the app. And now that you already have your YouTube Studio, let me now show you how to hide the like counts of your videos. So to do that, first, I want you to open your YouTube Studio. And once you're on your YouTube Studio, next, I want you to go to the Contents section. And here in the Contents section, you will now be able to see all your videos on YouTube, so just find the one for which you want to hide the like counts of. So let's say that this is the video for which you want to hide the like counts, for example. So to do that, I want you to tap the video. And after that, just tap this edit button to make changes on your video. And here on the edit section, I want you to tap the more options. And once you're on more options, I want you to scroll down, and then you will now be able to see the show how many viewers like this video option right here. You just need to uncheck this in order to hide the like counts of your video. And after unchecking it, you can now go back. And then tap save to completely save your changes. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, the like counts of your video will now be hidden. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.